10 years after Obergefell versus Hodges made same sex marriage a constitutional right, the Supreme Court has just declined to hear a case that could have threatened it. And while the decision came quietly with no statement or explanation, it might be the most important silence of the year. The case came from Kim Davis, that Kentucky County clerk who famously refused a marriage license to same sex couples under God's authority. She lost in court twice and asked the Supreme Court to let her claim religious immunity for breaking the law. The justices said no. That means, for now, the constitutional right to same sex marriage still stands. But let's not mistake survival for safety. This same court overturned Roe versus Wade just 3 years ago, proving precedent is only as stable as politics allow. The only reason marriage equality remains intact is that it's too embedded to unravel cleanly. Over 800,000 same sex couples are now legally married. Undoing Obergefell wouldn't just erase rights, it would dismantle families, property, and decades of legal structure. Hope's support for marriage equality is at nearly 70%. History tells us progress always meets resistance, but it also shows that once love is written into law, it's harder to erase. The court didn't act out of compassion, it acted out of calculation. But sometimes holding the line is its own form of victory. If you ever learned anything from me, please support the work that makes this possible. This isn't just content, it's curation, education, and legacy building. My link tree is in the bio to follow me on all socials. Stay informed and stay safe.